What we all wish for as an iPhone user is to have a particular action button that can make our iPhone keyboard sound louder. And this feature doesn't come forth for now as far as iOS 17 is concerned. So in this video, I'm going to show you a few tricks that lets you get loud keyboard click on your iPhone. So this is going to be a quick workaround, and this works like magic. So the first one to do is go to your iPhone settings. One of the settings, you want to click on sounds and haptics. Once you click on that, make sure you increase ringtone and alert to the maximum. And then after that, you want to make sure again that you turn on change with button. Once you've done that, scroll down, click keyboard feedback, then make sure you enable sound. Then that is not all. Once you enable sound, you want to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on headphone safety. Once you click that, tap reduce loud audio. Then increase your decibel to whatever you like. That's 100% in my own case. Increase the decibels to 100%. Then hit the back button to the settings, and while on the settings interface, make sure to scroll down to music and click on it. Click on music. Here, click on EQ under audio. Once you selected that, then I would advise you choose late night. Then that's it. So you will notice that every time you use your iPhone keyboard, the keyboard sound will be louder than it was on your iPhone, and you can use the side button to increase the volume of the iPhone keyboard. So this makes it louder and easy to access. So guys, if you found this interesting, you want to hit like button, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.